Welcome back. Today it's me, Beto G. I'm back today with Burkina Faso Trabit. I'm going to be making Burkina Faso Trabit. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on notification bell below so anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. So when you launch your FSZO, put your cursor like this, right click, then click on open. But for me, I've already launched my FSZO. So I'm going to put my cursor like this, click on FSZO, then click on view channel rack. Then I'm going to click on add, click on FA keys. After that, I'll put my cursor on top of this empty space, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheel to channel 5. Put my cursor here, right click, then click on piano roll. I'll start to program my Burkina Faso Trabit now. So after programming the first 4 bars, I'm going to click on my select icon, highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B. Now I've copied my Burkina Faso Trabit from first to 4 bars right up to bars number 8, and that's okay. I'm going to pick another plugin again. So I'm going to click on view channel rack. I'll click on add. Then I'm going to pick another plugin again called FA keys again. Now is a bass melody, so I'm going to put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 6. Put my cursor here, right click, then click on piano roll. That's it. That's it. Now is a bass melodies. As you can see, I'm going to pick another step again. So I'm going to take another step again. I'm going to pick my hi-hat. I'm going to start programming my hi-hat now, and this is my hi-hat on channel 3. So I'll put my cursor like this on my channel 3, right click, then click on piano roll. Now I'll start to program my hi-hat now like this. Watch the way I'm programming my hi-hat like this. I'll program my hi-hat like this. After 4 bars, I'm going to copy right to bars number 8. This is my hi-hat. This is my hi-hat. Now I'm going to highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B right up to bars number 8. That's okay. I'm going now to my snare. The most important thing is I'm going to tell you how to switch from party mode to song mode. On channel 3, on channel 4, which is my snare, I'll put my cursor like this, right click, then click on piano roll. At the starting of 1, I'll first of all click here, like this, like this, like this. And that's okay. As you can see, this is a bounce on my snare. I'm going out to my kick, Burkina Faso Trabit. That's it. This is my kick. I'm going to left click and hold my left click button on top of my kick, then drag it to channel 1 and just leave it on channel 1. Right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. Now I'll start to program my kick now. This is how my kick sound. That's it. That's it. That's okay. I'll click on my channel rack back. I'll click on channel 1. Click on my bow knob. Turn the bow knob right up. That's okay. Now let's go to the mixer. As you can see, when you are on your channel rack, this is your channel rack here like this, where you program your beat, and this is your mixer where you mix your beat. 5 and 6 is our melody. I'm going to bring down the 5 a little bit. This is a mixer, program mixer on FL Studio. So on channel 5, which is my first beat, I'm going to click on slot 1, add a fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 2, add a fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 3, add a fruity parametric EQ2. On channel 6, I'll click on slot 1, add the fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 2, add a fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 3, add a fruity limiter. That's okay. On 3, I'll turn it up. On 4, which is my snare, I'll turn it up. I'll turn my kick up. Now this is my playlist where I'm going to arrange my beat to create space on intro and outro. So I'll just click here where my cursor is on the screen. I'll just click. This is my playlist. When play your song on your playlist, make sure you switch on song mode like this. Then you put your cursor like this. Because if you put it on pattern and play, it will only play by the pattern mode here like this. But you won't play the playlist here. So I'll first of all just align on song on pattern mode. Put my pattern, my cursor here on pattern 1. Right click, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything I program has appeared on the top left corner on my FL Studio. I'll click on my kick, click on my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click on my playlist, click on my snare, click on my playlist, click on my first melody, click on my playlist, click on my last melody, click on my playlist. I'll click on my select, highlight to the left, which you can see press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B several times to extend the beat. That's it. I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. I'm going to highlight it, which I can see press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat. Now I'm arranging my beat now. So I'm going to click on my first melody and click on draw. Then click on my outro. I'll click on my last melody and click on my outro. I'm going to remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. Then I'll go back to my mixer. On 3 and 4, I will right click, then create automation clip. On channel 4, I will right click, then create automation clip. That's okay. I'm going to spice up my beat now. I'm going to click on hi-hat, click here. At the end of my intro, you hear a hi-hat. I'm going to add it here at the starting point of my outro, a hi-hat. That's okay. When you want to play now the beat here on your playlist, which is here, make sure you switch between here, pattern and song. If you play pattern, it won't play here. So if you switch between song on song mode, which is here, which you have created your intro, your outro, and here. So let's listen to our playlist, which is not in the pattern, because if you play here, you are going to hear the one, but the one you are programmed on the pattern. If you switch on song mode here, you are going to hear the one. Tomorrow I'm bringing the one that I'm going to mix. So this was just a sketch. Now let's listen to the Burkinafaso tribute from the start to end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to